good day all, this is Asa from Mince Trinkets, and thank you very much for joining me for today's episode. We are going to be making these little trinkets, these little charms, these little paperclip for our junk journals, our planners, our journaling, etc. As usual, all my episodes are really short, it's really quick, it's really easy. Just use what you have at your disposal. So stay with me and let's get started. And this is called a jump ring. So we're just going to attach the jump ring to the clip. And this will be our first clip for our planner or our journal, and I'm just going to show you how it would look. You place it, clip it on your page. Cute. And now for our next one, we have this clip. It's a pink plain clip. So I'm just going to take this clip, and this is a gold butterfly charm, and I'm just going to stick it on. So I'm just going to use a strong glue. I'm using the reptile glue. You can use the E6000 or whichever strong glue that you have. And just place it on the clip. Hold it for a few seconds so it gets stuck on. And I'm going to show you how this one is going to look in your planner or your journal. Isn't this cute? Tiny and cute. Of course, you can have your decorative pages and so on. And you can just clip it on just like that. Really cute. And for the next one, I'm using this yellow paper clip. You can see that I've matched up the colors, whichever decoration or top I'm using. And this is a foam decorative piece. Just use what you have around the house. This actually belongs to my daughter. So just grab a few from your kids. And it has, you could add some glue, add some adhesive, and stick it on right on the edge of the paper clip. And let's place it in the journal or your planner, whatever you're using it for. And it's nice and sparkly. For our next one, we have this pink paper clip, and I have this. This is used to put as a closure on your journal, where you can hook it like this, and you can add a charm. It goes to the back of your book. But I have so many left over, I just thought I'd use it in my paper clip. So you're just going to insert it in and clip it over as like a cute little decoration on your paper clip. It's going to look like this. And now you can add it in your planners, journals, blank page, whatever you're using to decorate. And that is how it's going to look. Now let's test it out on our notebook. And this is how it would look. And for our next one, a white paper clip. Like I said, I matched it, and I have this cute little charm of a shell. So I'm just going to flip it through here. And that's it. Really nice, cute, and simple. And let's place it on our journal. You see me using this journal all the time because I love it. And there you go. Of course, you do have the option of placing it to the side and letting the charm hang out like this, if you choose to. And let's see how it looks like in a page. I'm going to put this one this way. So it's hanging out like this. And this one, which I think is really adorable, it's a guitar shaped paperclip, and I'm just going to be using it standalone into your pages. I think I put it on the wrong way. And there you go. And this one is also the same golden paperclip with an antique key. And this is of course ideal for a junk journal. So I already have a key here. So I'm just going to put it in front of the cover. And it matches the cover, looks really nice. For our next one, this is a paperclip. It's a different shaped paperclip, triangular. And this is a charm of a mini pin. How cute is that? And you simply put it through your paperclip and place it into your book, journal, diary, planners, whatever you're using it for. And there you go. Now for this one, I have this butterfly charm and a ball pen, a gold ball pen, which is very easily accessible. Now, ideally, this is used for junk journals, but there is no rules. You can use it for your planners, or you can use it for your journals, for your regular journaling. It's all up to you. And you can even attach it to a paper clip. If you don't want to put a hole in your book, like myself, which I don't, and just clip it on. Cute! This one is a really huge paper clip. And we're just going to use one of the charms. If you want to know how I made these charms, just look at the video with the charms, the glass charms. And I'm just going to use this, is called a jump ring. And for the next one, I'm just going to use one of those little clips again. And these clips come in different sizes, small, medium, large. Of course, this is a tiny one. And this is just an adorable bee charm. Just going to clip it on. It came with the clip. And that's it. That's our charm. And I'm just going to show you how all of these are going to look, so you'll know which one you want to make, or if you want to make all of them. Of course, you can use whatever you have at your disposal. And now we're just going to place it into our book. And there you have it, a little glass charm music note. And for this one, we're going to use a standalone. It's a little envelope with a little heart in the center. Isn't it cute? Now we're going to place it. And there you have it. And for this one, I have a pink paper clip, pink charm, and I'm just going to attach it onto the paper clip with a strong glue. And there you have it. Now I think this one is really adorable. Place it into your book. And now this is the last one that we're going to do. So this is a paper clip just like this one. What I did was I painted it with some pink paint just to make it different. And I'm going to add this iridescent star. Just stick it on like this. And this is how it would look like. And we just add it in our planner, our junk journal. And I think it looks really cute. And these are all the charms we have made for our planners, our journals, our junk journaling, etc. I hope you have enjoyed today's episode, and thank you very much for joining me.